Hi friends, Helga here. Welcome back to my studio. Today let's create these classic timeless round beaded hoop earrings together. This design features a beautiful color gradient with a delicate lace-like Picot edge right along the rim. You can see the finished look right here. Once you master this technique, you'll easily be able to use this video as a foundation to create your own unique color patterns. For this project, you will need a pair of round hoop findings. Mine are approximately 1 inch in inner diameter. We will also be using 4 colors of size 11 Miyuki beads. It's very important to note the different shapes we are using here. For the body, we have 3 colors of Miyuki Delica cylinder beads: black, beige, and gray. Unfortunately, I can't give you the exact color codes. And no, it's not because I'm being stingy with the details. The labels just didn't survive my studio organization. For our accents, we are using a metallic gold, which is a standard Miyuki round seed bead, also in size Eagle 11. Lastly, you'll need a strong, high-quality beading thread that matches the color of your base beads. Cut about 70 inches of thread and pass it through your beading needle in a single strand, leaving it without any knots. Thread your needle through the hoop frame and tie a few secure knots right near the top curvature of the loop. Make sure to leave a small tail of about 8 inches so we can easily weave it in and secure it at the very end. We will be weaving this row by row, starting with our black Delica beads. To begin, pick up 2 black Delica beads. Bring your needle under the wire frame from back to front and then pass it back up through the second Delica bead. Pull it nice and snug so your starter knot hides cleanly inside the bead. Slide the beads close to the top clasp area, but leave just enough clearance so the earring can open and close smoothly. Now, pick up 1 black Delica bead, bring your needle under the frame from back to front, and go right back up through that same Delica bead. Pull the thread to align it perfectly. Let's do it again. Pick up 1 black Delica bead, needle goes under the frame from back to front and up through the bead. Pulling it tight into a straight line. Continue adding individual black Delica beads all along the frame. For our pattern to work out perfectly, we need an even number of beads. I ended up stitching exactly 44 beads for this base. This completes our first row. Flip your earring over so you're always weaving from your comfortable side. Let's start row 2. Pick up 3 gold round seed beads. Pass your needle downward into the second black Delica bead from the edge and then bring it back up through the next adjacent black Delica bead. Next, string 2 gray Delica beads. Pass your needle downward into the next black Delica and bring it up through the neighbor bead. Gently adjust them with your fingers so they sit flat and pretty. Pick up another 2 gray Delica beads, needle goes down into the black bead, and up through the next black bead. Keep moving along the row. weaving in pairs of grey Delica beads. Remember to take your time so your tension stays uniform. At the very end of this row, we will add 3 gold round seed beads. Pass your needle down into the last black Delica. Loop your thread around the wire frame and come back up through that same black Delica bead. To step up to the next row, go down into the second black Delica from the edge, then up through the third black Delica, continuing straight up through the grey Delica bead, sitting directly above it. Flip the piece for comfort and let's begin row 3. Start with 3 gold round seed beads, passing down into the grey Delica and up through the next grey Delica. For the rest of this third row, we will be stitching pairs of beige Delica beads instead of grey. Finish the row with 3 gold round seed beads on the opposite end and immediately flip your work to step up to row 4, using that exact same path we just practiced. We start row 4 with 3 gold round seed beads and then continue with pairs of beige Delica beads all the way across. End the row with 3 gold round seed beads and let's transition to our 5th and final row. The thread path to step up this time is slightly longer because we need to position our needle right where there aren't any gold beads yet. Row 5 is our beautiful decorative trim. Start with 3 gold round seed beads, and since this is our final row, we will actually keep adding 3 gold round seed beads for every single stitch all the way across to complete that gorgeous lace-like picot edging. All that's left now is to secure our threads. Weave your needle through the beadwork, make a tiny hidden half hitch knot over the thread bridges and pull it inside a bead to hide it. Repeat this a couple of times for maximum durability and snip the excess close. Thread your needle onto that 8-inch starter tail we left at the beginning. Secure it the exact same way, and then repeat all these steps to create your second earring. If you love this tutorial, please leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next video. Happy crafting!